How do I select elements of an array given condition? Suppose I have a numpy array x equals 5, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, y equals f, o, o, b, a, r. I want to select the elements in y corresponding to elements in x that are greater than 1 and less than 5. I tried. But this doesn't work. How would I do this?
Your expression works if you add parentheses.
Emo-op does not actually want np, the bitwise underscore and, aka endearment, but actually wants np.logical underscore, and because they are comparing logical values, such as true and false, see the sole post on logical versus bitwise to see the difference. An equivalent way to do this is with np.all by setting the axis argument appropriately. By the numbers. So using np.all is slower, but and logical underscore and are about the same.
Add one detail to @j.f. Sebastian's and @Mark Mikovsky's answers. If one wants to get the corresponding indices, rather than the actual values of array, the following code will do. For satisfying multiple, all, conditions. For satisfying multiple, or, conditions.
I like to use np.vectorize for such tasks. Consider the following. The advantage is you can add many more types of constraints in the vectorized function. Hope it helps.